So this is the after cleaning this Troy Bilt with a Honda engine up on it, and we're going to call this the rusted out one because it is. Kind of disappointing, but once you wash something then you find everything, which I'll show. I'm not even going to waste putting my good wheels on this. So it certainly looks much better. But we have rust holes. Particularly right here, which once I put the blower on this, it blew paint off, and once I started washing it, it got worse. And under here as well, which there was no side chute, but you can see rust here. And more rust over here. Rust never sleeps. But it's a great engine on here. There is more rust. It's everywhere. I got all the twine out from under this blade. The blade is in good shape. I didn't even bother taking it off to sharpen it. It looks like it's been replaced. So this Troy Bilt will remain as is. I'm not going to put a lot of time and effort in here. I did change the oil in here. This handle is bent. Got to straighten that. But we'll do a final start on this. It sure runs good. Oops, got to choke it. A great engine on a rusted out frame. If you don't blow your lawnmowers off after you use them and leave debris, it certainly will rust it out in no time. Here we go.